Hi, so welcome to our series of artificial intelligence. In this series, we're gonna explore all of the artificial intelligence. So, this is our first part, and we're gonna cover the foundations of AI with some conceptual clarity so that you get to know what artificial intelligence is and what is machine learning, what is deep learning, and what is the difference between them, what are the scope of machine learning, AI, and deep learning, what are the goals or real life applications that we can achieve, and what are the applications of AI systems. So this is all our objective. I have already discussed we are going to introduce the foundational concept of AI, how we distinguish between AI, ML, and DL, and how we understand its scope, goals, and real world problems and applications that we can solve with the help of AI systems. So, what is artificial intelligence? You might be thinking. So let me show you with an example. Here we have an image. So as you can see, developing machine to mimic human intelligence and behavior is called artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is like building a machine that can mimic the human intelligence which we program to think and learn like humans. This part is from machine learning, but we are including it in AI. I'll tell you after some time like what is machine learning and all that. Till then, let's focus on the definition part. Artificial intelligence refer to the simulation of human intelligence. Like let's see, let's say this is human brain, okay, and if we want to focus on it, this is our brain, right? And if we want to think and we want to move our hand, if we touch something hot, the signal goes to brain and we receive another signals through neurons, and it all processes with the help of these nerves and small signals called neurons. So the artificial intelligence is like that. So artificial intelligence is simulation of human intelligence in machine that are programmed to think and learn like human. It involves creating systems that can perform tasks such as reasoning, learning, problem solving, perception, and understanding natural language. Like I speak English, and English is a natural language that we speak and understand. Right? Computer only understand one language, which is binary, which is 0 and 1. Okay, so we're gonna focus on that part only. So if we write something like binary language. Hmm. So computer only understand binary language, right? This is for computer. And we human understand what? We human understand natural language. This is our tendency to learn and understand human language. If machine try to understand human language, it needs some sort of a compiler that compiles the human language so that computer can understand it. But understanding words is the easier part. Like computer is showing me this text, but it is not a AI system, right? What is AI system then? If I'm speaking and computer can understand what I'm speaking, so that is a AI task, right? It is understanding the human language. Just like voice assistant or virtual assistant, we have Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistant. If you say okay and then say the name Google, it will walk up your voice assistant if you are using an Android device. And if you say, "Hey Siri," then it will invoke your assistant, which is Siri, in your iPhone. So, this is artificial intelligence we have. We use it for learning, reasoning, and perception. So, you might be thinking why we use it for like learning, reasoning, and perception. Here we have an example. This is quite a good example. I have seen it before. So this is more like a broader approach. Like AI has subtopic which is machine learning, and we also have subtopic of machine learning which is deep learning, right? AI is focusing on all the tasks like machine learning and deep learning. Machine learning is different and deep learning is quite like similar to machine learning as it is a part of machine learning, but we will focus on them later. So we are on that part where we are going to learn what is AI versus ML and what is DL. AI is the broadest concept which encapsulate all of the machine learning and deep learning. Like if we need to understand, this is the Venn diagram we will make. Like this is AI, this is ML, this is DL. And now you might be thinking, then Harivansh, what is data science? So AI versus ML versus DL versus DS. This is the diagram that we will look forward, right? So this is like that, more of like that. This is artificial intelligence, this is machine learning, this is deep learning, and data science capture it all. Like it has some concept of artificial intelligence, we also need to know machine learning, and we also need to know deep learning, some deep learning I would say, to understand it better. So we also need to understand machine learning and AI and deep learning if we want to go in the field of data science, right? Deep learning is a subset of machine learning that is, let's first see what is machine learning. Machine learning is a subset of artificial intelligence. Like it is a subset of artificial intelligence as we can see through the Venn diagram that uses data driven algorithms to learn patterns automatically. So we use algorithms like a mathematical equation that learns automatically when provided data. So we can make a diagram like that. If we give data to a machine learning model, so let's say this is our model, then what it will give us, what this model will give us, this model will give us predictions, or we can say data points which we want, right? We will get the patterns, it will also give me patterns, data points, patterns, right? So this is about the machine learning, whereas deep learning is a subset of machine learning that relies on artificial neural networks to process large unstructured data such as images or text. If we want to, if we go to this link, let me show you. I have this link here. Hmm, yes, this is the learning playground of machine learning. Okay, and this is the image model that we have. If we give some images to this here dataset and this dataset here, these are two classes, and now we will train the model and then preview. Like we will just give out like what mm, model we want, right? Now let's go to the application of artificial intelligence. AI is a broad field, and AI is transforming multiple sectors in our society and economy, such as healthcare. Like AI in healthcare, if we search, we will get to know that this is a AI overview, right? It is still working here also. This is the AI mode of Google, and AI in healthcare uses machine learning and other cognitive technologies to assist in diagnosis, treatment, and administrative tasks, aiming to improve efficiency, accuracy, and patient outcomes. So we are using artificial intelligence is in every way possible in the healthcare department, such as disease prediction, medical imaging, and personalized treatment. In finance, we use it for fraud detection, algorithmic trading, and chatbots. Transportation. In transportation, we use self-driving cars such as Tesla. We have Tesla cars. These are the Tesla cars we have now, and we can also use it for traffic optimization. Like the traffic lights we have now powered by AI, so that the road management or traffic management can be better. In agriculture, we use for crop health monitoring and precision farming. If we talk about India itself, uh, AI in farming in India. Like AI is transforming Indian agriculture through applications like precision farming, crop health monitoring, water optimization, and pest controls. Government initiatives such as Kisan Mitra chatbot and National Pest Surveillance System are also providing farmers with AI-powered tools and information. So we are making a difference with the help of AI. Our government is now teaching AI to farmers also, so that they can get benefit from it and can earn a lot of profit by mm, making better decisions. In education, we use AI for adaptive learning systems and AI tutors. Just like you can use some chatbots to get answers for every problem that you have. Also, there are type of artificial intelligence. AI can be categorized on its capabilities and functionalities. Like if we search for type of AI, then we will get to know that we have narrow AI, general AI, and super AI. Like there are two type of AI, like based on two types, based on their capabilities or based on their functionalities. So on the based of on capabilities, we have narrow AI, we have general AI, we have super AI. And if we talk about AI based on the functionalities, we have reactive machine, limited memory, theory of mind, and self-aware AI. So let's talk about the narrow AI first. So if we talk about narrow AI is nothing but its scope is so narrow that it can just provide us result for just one task, just like a game playing agent. If a AI is playing chess, it can only play chess, so that's narrow AI. What is general AI? General AI is mainly used everywhere. If we create an artificial intelligence that can work on every field possible, that is known as general AI. And then what is super AI? The super AI is the domination of AI on the human race. So it's more like that. If we talk about reactive machines is nothing but just if as a statement. If something happens, it will give you that result. It is more like a chatbot, and we can build some more machines over it, just like some game playing agents which do not need any memory, right? Then we have limited memory. These are required for self-driving cars, so that they can get to know where they are actually and what was their last step, so that they can contribute to the overall, like well-defined system, so that they can move in a good way and prevent all the accidents, or do not they break or have any law or something. Also, now we have theory of mind we hold traffic controlled self-driving cars, which need much more memory and need to be aware of the surrounding. So these comes under the theory of mind. Then we have the self-aware AI. Well, then one might be thinking like, what, Harivansh, what is self-aware AI? Self-aware AI is AI which know that what it takes to get to become better, and become better in such a way that human intelligence is now dominated with artificial intelligence. It can be dangerous, but still we are in a state that we are not going to get here somehow. Now let's talk about, we have discussed is it all right. Also, now we have ethical consideration of AI. As AI become more integrated in our life, it raises some several ethical and social concern. Like AI is made up of data, right? On data, we train our large language models, which are machine learning models and AI models. So, how data privacy of population is maintained, and can it misuse that information? Also, biases in decision making. If someone is making an artificial intelligence, then they can make some biases of their own in making that model, so that those biases also can come pre made with that decision making, right? If you want an AI to make decision on a particular political topic, and you have some bias of your own on that particular topic, and you restrict your AI or to talk on that topic, or to show some other result on that topic based on your bias, then it can be a ethical consideration, right? Job automation and displacement. This is actually true. Like now in 2025, many of the jobs are being replaced by the artificial intelligence. Now the last one is accountability for AI driven actions. If AI is taking actions, now who is responsible for all this? The developer who created that AI, the company which is taking all the, like which is making all the money with the help of that AI, or who is responsible for that, government or any authority? Conclusion is that the responsible AI development ensure fairness, transparency, and human oversight, which is required, because if we submit all our tasks to AI, we become dependent on it that much that human intelligence will never grow out, right? In summary, artificial intelligence is a vast domain, and aimed at making machine think and act intelligently. Understanding AI basic structure, types, and ethical implications. We have learned it all, like the foundation of mastering machine learning and deep learning. We have to master it, and we will master machine learning within upcoming videos. Till then, keep watching. This is Harivansh, and you are watching Harivansh Bharadwaj. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hope to see you soon in the next video. Till then, bye bye.